Hey, I'm Ken Dizzle and welcome to my solar journey. You're here because you've either got solar panels on a battery or you're thinking about it. Now I'm going to talk you through my experiences of what I did getting solar. And in this video, I'm going to cover my system, how much it cost, what I had installed, my first thoughts and comments since getting installed. And I'm going to do this in under 3 minutes. So join me as we go solar. Now here's my system. I have 10 385 watt panels by JA Solar. They're roughly 1 metre wide by about 1.7 metres wide. They're all black, mono something or other. I won't go into technical details, you can do that in another video. Anyway, they've got a 25-year manufacturer's guarantee on the productivity. Now this performance warranty means that I'm guaranteed degradation rate of around about 0.5%. So in 25 years time, my panels should still be generating around about 88% of its efficiency. Now, there's going to be plenty more life in it than 25 years. This really is a lifetime investment. Now, what was important to me was warranties and protection. So I made sure that what company I chose to install my panels was MCS registered. Here's some information on what that means. I have a 10-year warranty on the battery and inverter, 25 years on the panel, and I have a 10-year EPVS warranty and certification, as well as HIES warranty. So it's day one, December the 9th. Scaffolding was supposed to arrive yesterday, but it was late. Not a problem though, it arrived on the morning, and as the scaffolding was being installed, my installer got on with doing some of the electric work, ready to put the panels on the roof. The stock arrived the same day as well, and it was just stacked up in the garden. So we drilled the holes in the outside of my house to feed through for the cut-off switches. We also started to lay the rails and cut them out. So the installation was really smooth, there was no issues at all. I just got on with what I was doing and the installers did their job. There was a minor problem trying to connect the app, but that was no problem. So when they'd finished, they gave me a demonstration of the app and I was ready to go. My panels had already started generating electricity and the battery had a little bit of charging. So day one of my panels being installed, I managed to generate 4.1 kilowatts of electricity. So how much did the system cost me? Now this is a question that I'm always asked and it's really tricky. In reality, I'm not too interested in how long the payback is going to take. It's a long-term investment, but I'm happy to work out the figures for you. So my system cost me £11,602. How long this is going to take me to pay back is going to be a little tricky to work out because there's lots of variables that you can take into consideration, such as the money that I'm saving on using alternative heating, and also the more electricity I generate, the more I'm going to use. Anyway, subscribe and you'll be able to find out exactly when that video drops. But I know you want to know how much and how long. So roughly I think it's going to take around about 6 or 7 years to get my payback. But as long as I'm using more electricity, in reality, that's probably going to be 5 years. Yes, I know I'm making some crazy assumptions that a 10% increase and everything remains the same. But if it does, then I'm set to make my money back around about between year 6 and year 7. What do you think? Do you think I'm overestimating? So let me hear your comments. Do you have solar? Has this video helped you in your decision making? Leave a comment below and let's hear about what you're doing to save money.